Hello students, my name is Maya Mukhe, Senior Lecturer, Vidyalankar Polytechnic. In this session, I am going to explain you the importance of chemistry for engineering. The outline of this session is background, chemistry and engineering, and topics for the first semester of engineering diploma. Background. Everything in the world is made from about 105 elements. Each element has a name and a symbol. The symbol is usually one capital letter and one small letter. For example, Ca, that is a symbol of calcium. Chemists have arranged elements in the periodic table. Let us have a look at the periodic table of the elements. In the periodic table, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. The periodic table consists of horizontal rows, which are called as periods, and the vertical columns, which are called as groups. Chemistry is the essence of our everyday life. It occurs in the food we eat. It is in the air we breathe. It occurs in the water we drink. All processes that we see around us are the result of chemical reactions such as oxidation, evaporation, sublimation, corrosion, pollution. Chemistry has important contribution for giving us foods, life-saving drugs, soaps and detergents, variety of cosmetics, fertilizers and pesticides, plastic, battery, etc. Chemistry is a multidisciplinary subject. Different branches of studies require the knowledge of chemistry. The branches such as medicine, engineering, biology, manufacturing, geology, economics. Chemistry and engineering. Engineering has been called applied science. The various disciplines of engineering such as electrical, electronic, mechanical, chemical focus on the design and construction of structures, machines, apparatus or processes to solve problems. This requires detailed knowledge of the properties of materials and a broad knowledge of science and mathematics. Let us now see what are the topics for the first semester of engineering diploma. Chemical bonding, corrosion and corrosion preventive measures, electrochemistry and important engineering materials. Unit 1, Chemical bonding. A compound is a substance formed when two or more elements are chemically joined. Water, salt, sugar are the examples of compounds. When the elements are joined, the atoms lose their individual properties and have different properties from the elements they are composed of. During formation of different compounds, atoms of elements transfer electrons between them. When this transfer of electrons takes place, a chemical bond is formed. There are different types of bonds formed depending on which elements are combining with each other. The unit 2 is corrosion and electrochemistry. Corrosion is defined as destruction of a metal due to surrounding conditions. Corrosion takes place due to chemical reactions, mainly oxidation. It occurs whenever a gas or liquid chemically attacks an exposed surface of a metal. Corrosion is accelerated by warm temperatures and by acids and salts. Metals can be protected from corrosion by many ways such as galvanizing, tinning, anodizing, electroplating, painting, etc. Unit 3. Important engineering materials. Paint. Paint is any pigmented liquid which after application on a surface in a thin layer converts to a solid film. It is most commonly used to protect metals from corrosion. Insulators. Insulators are materials that inhibit or prevent the flow of electrical current through them. Insulating materials include paper, plastic, rubber, glass, and air. Polymers. A polymer is a large molecule or macromolecule composed of many repeated subunits, that is monomers. Polymers are everywhere such as plastic, rubber, nylon, etc. Lubricants. A liquid such as oil that is used to make the parts of an engine move easily together, or a substance put on any surface to help it move more easily. Some commonly used lubricants are grease, graphite, oils, paraffin, wax, etc. As quoted by former United States President Thomas Jefferson, consider chemistry among the most useful of sciences and big with future discoveries for the utility and safety of the human race. These are the references that I have used for preparing this presentation. Thank you for viewing.